Hi friends, George here. I want to rant a little bit. Lately, up here in the Great White North, Tim Hortons has decided to go digital or modernize their Fidelity program. Um, you remember the good old days where you used to go into Tim Hortons, get your card punched. If you bought a certain amount of coffees, you were entitled to a free coffee. Now, they decided to go with this. So you register online, and they call it whoa, FidéliTim. Now I don't know who the heck FidéliTim is, but there has been an outpour of complaints about this card, and people are losing their points and all sorts of drama. And here's my perspective of things. Don't complain, because I like these cards. And the reason why I like them, look, this is a guitar pick. It's plastic. We already have a lot of free plastic, and this is free plastic. And what you can do with this is take this card and a Sharpie, fine tooth, fine print. Take the pick and trace with the Sharpie. Whoa, here's the camera. There it is. Trace with the Sharpie around this, and you can make up to 4 outlines, and then take the scissors, right, and cut them out. And then when you cut it out, you get yourself a nice guitar pick. See? Here it goes. See? This is a beautiful guitar pick right there. And look, it usually sticks. And then what you do with a guitar pick is you pick up a guitar. Now, mind you, this is not tuned. It's Yamaha. And you play a little bit of Johnny Cash, or try to, like I will. Here. Oh, you didn't see the guitar. Well, I was just playing a couple of notes. It sounds pretty good, you know. It's here's your little E chord, and all that with this fine little piece of plastic. So instead of complaining, do something good with it. Post it to Facebook. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of enjoyment and fun. And your coffee might even taste better. Keep up the good work, guys. Take care.